Before we can bring the SketchUp model into Unreal Engine, we need two things. We need the exporter for SketchUp, and we need to make sure that Datasmith is installed to the engine. Let's go ahead and install the plugin for SketchUp. I'm just going to click Get. This is going to launch the web page for the Datasmith export plugin. In SketchUp, you may hear terminology referred to as plugins. Also in SketchUp, you'll refer to as extensions. They're the same thing. Extensions are plugins. SketchUp uses the terminology of extensions. Let's go ahead and click Download, and I'm just going to save over a previous one that I have here. I'm going to go ahead and click Save, and like any application file, after it's done downloading, go ahead and run it. And more importantly, make sure after you're done installing it that if you have SketchUp open, just go ahead and close it and then reopen it. That way the extension actually will launch the next time that we open SketchUp. Now the other thing that we have to do is make sure that the engine that we're running has Datasmith installed. So I'm just going to click here real quick just to make sure, and in case we do have it. But if there is an update, I can click Installed Plugins, and if it is installed, it's going to show here like it is, or you might see an update button here as well. You always want to make sure you have the latest Datasmith here for the engine that you're running. With these two elements installed, we can now export the SketchUp file to Datasmith.